Hi guys, it's Maureen and Sophie, the coolest French girl in the world. Whatever. Today is the 4th episode of our series on phrasal verbs. We're going to have a look at the 10 phrasal verbs that I think are the most common and the most useful in English. Remember, this lesson is going to help you increase your vocabulary, but also help you communicate better. The 4th episode of our phrasal verb series is find out. Sophie, what does it mean? Well, let's find out. It means to obtain knowledge of something or someone's activity. So basically, it's very similar to discover or learn about. Oh, I have a good example. I just found out that Uranus is very cold. What are you talking about? I'm talking about the planet, you silly. Though, we all know you have a massive stick up your... Sophie, can you stop that? You're being very inappropriate. What? I'm trying to teach a new expression, you know, to have a stick up your bum, bum, bum. Let's say bum and keep it PG rated. Please. Anyways, having a stick up your bum means that you are very strict. Very strict. That's a little bit off topic. Let's go back to find out. Can you let us know if there's anything about find out being a passive verb? Let me check. Yep, actually, someone can be found out. In this case, it means that the person's actions are discovered. Exactly. And very important, you can only use find out in passive voice if you are talking about a person. For example, we all thought David was very nice, but he was later found out to be quite nasty. Alright guys, that's the end of our lesson. I hope you found this useful. Don't forget to leave your example in the comment section down below, and of course I'll have a look at it for you guys. Don't forget to follow My Little English page on Facebook, Instagram, the blog, and to press the bell button on YouTube. That way you'll get a notification next time I post a video. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, keep on learning. Bye bye. You want to know what the next phrasal verb of the series is? Well, find out next Thursday at 3 p.m. Spanish time.